In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unarchive cards on Trello, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. Whether you've accidentally archived a card or simply need to retrieve one that's been stored away, this process will help you bring those cards back to your active workspace quickly and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to Trello.com. Once there, you'll want to look for the login button, which usually sits in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this will prompt you to log into your account. You can do this using either your email address or by selecting the option to log in with your Google account, depending on your preference and setup. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the Trello homepage. Here you'll find the Boards section. It's your starting point to access your archived cards. Within this area, you'll see a list titled Your Workspaces. This is where all your boards are organized according to the workspaces you belong to. Identify the specific workspace that contains the board with the archived card you want to unarchive. After you've clicked on the correct workspace, look through the list of boards and select the one you're interested in. This action will take you to the main page of the chosen board. Now your focus shifts to the upper right corner of the page. Here you'll spot 3 dots. These dots represent additional options related to board settings and actions. Clicking on the 3 dots will reveal a drop-down menu. Look for the option labelled Archived Items within this menu. This option is the key to uncovering all cards that have been archived within that board. Select Archived Items, and you'll be presented with a list of all cards and lists that are currently archived. Now locate the specific card you wish to return to the board. Once you find it, there should be an option or button nearby that says Send to Board. Clicking this button will immediately move the card from its archived state back to its original position on your board, ready for use just like before it was archived. And there you have it, a straightforward way to unarchive cards on Trello and keep your projects on track. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to repeat these steps if necessary. Trello's flexibility and ease of use make these minor adjustments smooth and simple, ensuring your workflow is never interrupted for long. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more helpful guides.